In this video, I will tell you about top 20 rare Pakistani animals. Number 20. Black Buck, Pakistani lived area, Cholistan Desert, Himalaya Bahawalpur. Number 19. Asian Leopard, area, Gilgit-Baltistan, Murree, Muzaffarabad, Karakoram, North Mountains area. Number 18. Chinkara, Pakistani lived area, Sindh Balochistan, South Punjab, KPK. Number 17. Gharial, Pakistani lived area, only River Sindh. Number 16. Billed Pelican, Pakistani lived area, Sindh Lake, River Sindh, sea area, canal area. Number 15. Rhesus Macaque, Pakistani lived area, Punjab KPK, Sindh Murree, Islamabad Mountains area. Number 14. Peacock, Pakistani lived area, Punjab, only Indian border. Number 13. Markhor, Pakistan lived area, Balochistan KPK, Punjab Gilgit-Baltistan. Number 12. Snow Leopard, Pakistan lived area, Hindu Kush, Himalaya, Karakoram, Gilgit-Baltistan, KPK, Azad Kashmir. Number 11. Asian Black Bear, Pakistan lived area, Balochistan, KPK, Azad Kashmir, Punjab. Number 10. Fishing Cat, Pakistan lived area, only river, canal, lake. Number 9. Asian Vulture, Pakistan lived area, Sindh, Southeast, Changa-Manga Jungle, Punjab, KPK, other side. Number 8. Black Francolin, Pakistan lived area, all Pakistan. Number 7. Alexandrine Parakeet, Pakistan lived area, Kashmir, Punjab, Sindh wild area. Number 6. Chakor, Pakistan lived area, Punjab Balochistan, Sindh KPK. Number 5. Striped Hyena, Pakistan lived area, Balochistan. Number 4. Himalaya Monal, Pakistan lived area, Gilgit-Baltistan, Karakoram, North Mountains area. Number 3. Flying Squirrel, Pakistan lived area, Gilgit, Kashmir, Skardu, Chitral, Tibet, Astor, North Mountains area. Number 2. Pangolin, Pakistan lived area, Sindh Kashmir. Number 1. Blind Dolphin, Pakistan lived area, only River Sindh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Truth of the World.